Hi everyone, this is your girl Tiffany Kelly, the Educator Wellness Coach, and I'm super excited to bring another FITTeach workshop to a school here in the Metro Atlanta area. This workshop is the fitness workshop. It's a fitness class combined with an actual fitness workshop session where educators get to create their own fitness plan. Many times we as educators, we dedicate so much time to other people, pouring into others, our students, our school community, but we forget to pour into ourselves.
My name is Jerron Trumbull, principal here at Humphreys Elementary School. I've known Miss Kelly for some time, and I've seen her wellness and fitness journey over the years, and it was definitely something that I wanted to bring apart to our staff here at Humphreys. And today we just did fitness, and it was a blast. We look forward to our next session.
I remember once when I was 260 plus pounds and I couldn't do one step up. And so this particular workshop is special to me because I want to inspire other educators that they too can get their fitness on, and that it only takes them making a step to just try. And so as you can see, these educators today, they are on it. They're excited, and they're looking forward to finding something that they can do to tap into and actually continue to level up on their journey to health and well-being. The workshop is crafted to allow each participant to be successful. I want to make sure that when the educators leave this session that they believe they can do it. It's doable for them, whether you're a beginner or whether you're advanced.
Alright guys, today our class was amazing. We were able to work out, we were able to listen to music, we had so much fun. I feel energized, I feel alive, and I am ready to start my health journey. I thought it was a great class. I got energy, it gave me the boost I needed. The class was great, gave me some energy for the afternoon, gave me some key exercises that I can do on the move with little to no equipment. Alright, I thought it was a great course. I enjoyed being exposed to the different types of exercises, and I look forward to becoming a more healthier individual.
We here at FITTeach are excited about all the things that we're doing to help school districts level up their self-care and well-being. And we would love to bring a FITTeach workshop to your school or school district. So reach out to us at FITTeach.com. We here at FITTeach strive to help educators live fulfilled, innovative, and thriving. That's what FIT is all about. So we look forward to serving you soon.